I've got nothing to hide, so right now, baby, wanna be your profile. I need you, lady, right here with me to satisfy my fantasy. Been waiting for so long for someone like you. Your finesse just keep me going. Ruby over you, I've been watching you, been watching me. And if destiny was meant to be,
we're going to head straight into round two in the same order in that they performed in the first round. Please welcome to the stage, singing his reggae song, I Feel Good by Beres Hammond, Raystar.
Yeah, so if you're feeling good out there, let me hear you say, yeah, man. I'm not hearing it. Come on. If you're having a good time, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah. Ready. Hey. Hey. When you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Come on, sing it out, sing it out. Feel good. Hey, I feel good, cause your perfume is loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, hey, feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin, and then your hair dances under my chin. Wish we were alone, baby, just the two of us. The way you move, give me a rush. Oh, Lord, wine some more, show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we are alone, just you and me. Take them problems and leave them behind. Don't let it show. I go, baby, go, baby, go, ah, baby, go, ah, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel, yeah, feel good, yeah. I feel good when your perfume is loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, hey. Oh, what a night, what a night. Oh, what a night. Oh, Lord, what a sweet, sweet night. What a night. What a night. What a night, what a night, what a night. Hey. Oh, listen. Oh, yes. This is a serious time, violence and crime, and I be a gun things the youth them up on them mind. Oh, them bust you in a fall, you know, she said them not care, them a youth ya, bust it on when sun a shine. Hey, where them get it from, nobody knows, the father was a killer. And I see us them go. Hey, sing it out. Me can't sleep. No matter how me try to do it, they say me can't sleep. No. Yeah, ladies, listen. Hey, ready. Hey. Me and my woman just always a fight, and she know what we do fi make me smile get bright. We war and she never come back till late in the hours with a bunch of nicest. Even though me vex and me blood a boil, I want look below me waistline. She humble like a child, can't help it, me could hide the feeling. And she a kill me with the more sweet. Me you know me not gonna knock you down, baby, and me just want to hold you down. Me say go and go take off your gown, and before you know she get another baby. Say me not gonna knock you down, lady, and me just want to hold you down, baby. Me say go and go take off your gown, and before you know she get another baby.
Well, well, well. All right, Paul.
Yes, bro. One of the better voice quality in the competition. Presentation, we expect it based on, you understand? It's something that, it's a norm for you. That is just you. So your presentation was up there to voice quality, as I said, is good. Wonderful song choice. Keep it up, you're in the money, yeah?
Claudia.
Yes. In agreement with Paul, like I said, you are a performer. Nobody can take that from you. That's straight up. All right, you came, you delivered, you worked your audience, you're engaging, the song choice was good, the presentation was good, so very, very good effort. Very good performance as well.
Thank you. All right, that's Ray Star. Everybody put your hands up for him. Yeah, make some noise.
Wait.
Oh, you want to say something? Okay.
I'm my artist, you know.
All right.
I'm brave about what I mean.
All right.
You know, take boy for going on the stage and wind up on 4 different women. Alright. And perform with the voice quality when you have enough brain and note one dancing for a female. I mean, that's why you make a dance.
All right. That's why you're a basketball player and he's a singer.
That's rich.
Yes, Mackie.
One comment I would like to make. You are a very brave man. You step into the audience and hold on to a man's woman. And lucky to get back on stage again. Not a very good practice unless you know the rhythm.
All right. Well, he is good like that. All right. There you go. Ray Star, everybody. Put your hands up for him. Make some noise. All right. All right. We're going to move it along. Here we go. Contestant number 2 with their reggae song. This should be interesting. Singing for you. Weak to You by Dexter Daps. I'm going to let that sink in for a minute. Please welcome to my stage, Singer Boy Roy.
First things first, I just want to give it up to the ladies. All the ladies, give yourself a round of applause. You guys ready? You're in for a treat tonight. DJ. Na 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 na. Talk to ya. When I go like up, when I love you, but just something in it. You just really love you, when I sleep it up. When I go like up, when I love you, but just something in it. Come on out. First thing, a good suck depend on the person. When you shake your chest like a curtain, let the sun make you feel like a virgin to rise. Me not even you, even though me know say you have your manner. You know, hey, something too nice to me, just wanna just go. You know the, hurry up, me say me a come and she say me a go bust ya. Me a go like her, me love you, she make me weak to ya. Me just really love to touch you, and I really want to sleep ya. I have something me love it, if you want me for me to ya. Me a go like her, me love you but you know. You like your chappy chat me, use a serious she chat me. Then she climb on top of me and use her foot before me. Can't find no kind of man, she says she not so happy. She says she not no go no fish or fish she chat me. One bag of screaming and she only put it halfway suddenly. Give me all of you, tell me baby that you wanna do. I like her, I love you, just make me to ya. Me just really love you, that you really want to sleep ya. Me love you, so you want me to go with ya. Me not gonna like her, I love you, but there's something made me weak to you. Nothing like I'm gonna love you, but there's something made me weak to you. Me just really love you, touch you, but I really want to sleep with you. I got something me love you since you want me for me to you. Me not gonna like her, and I love you about you, I love you about you. Ooh yeah, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah.
All right. Dexter Daps, indeed. All right, put your hands together for Singer Roy, boy. Bring out Singer Boy Roy. All right. Let me see now. Where should I go? Ruddy.
All right, so Singer Boy, you won the first round, but you what? No, you get carried away with the second one.
Yeah.
It's still a competition, and a 40 points step on the table. So you now have none forgiven because all other 5 contestants are come forward with their best show. So you dash with a whole heap of points a while ago, and next time choose a song where you can sing and sing all of the words. Don't get carried away with the performance.
All right, Rose.
One man be brave and go out and grab on 2 ladies and you follow suit, but the vice drop when you start wine on 2 girl and like the wine throw you off and you forget a couple words and you know, but you have a vice so, and it's kind of unique and different, but you lose a couple points for 2 because well, you trip over a couple of the lines there to shoulder.
All right. All right. Put your hands together for him anyway. Well done, honey. All right. It was very sexy. Okay, we're going to bring another one of our ladies into this. Singing for you, Taurus Riley's Lion Paw. Please welcome to our stage, Pretty Empress.
Good night again, everybody. Let me see all our lion party in my house. All right. He's so humble, lion. Can't touch the lion, roaring. I'm walking through this valley of taste, and I've never been weak heart in the wilderness. Jah preserves I and guides in all I do. So we trod through the heights and the depths. We trample frustration and we conquer stress. The power of Jah preserves I and guides in all I do. So all the evil that means me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works performed shall prosper, yeah. So tell the Obe and the science man come, 'cause them can't squeeze the lion paw. He's so humble, roaring. The more them a aisle up, the more them business spoil up. The more them come with science, no them can't break the heart of a lion. The more them a aisle up, the more them business spoil up. Of Jah preserves I and guides in all I do. So all the evil that means me harm shall go back where they came from. No demonic works performed shall prosper, yeah. So tell the Obe and the science man come. You can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic works performed shall prosper, yeah. So tell the Obe and the science man come, him can't squeeze the lion paw. No demonic works perform shall prosper, yeah. So tell the Obe and the science man come, 'cause him can't squeeze the lion paw. Can't touch the lion, he's so humble. Can't touch the lion, so strong. Can't touch the lion, he's so humble. Can't touch the lion, so strong.
All right, Miss Taurus Riley, yes. All right, Claudette, I'm going to hear from you first, please.
Pretty Empress. You know something? I thought if the key had been raised a little
Yeah, it was.
bit up. Did you raise the key? You did? Because it still sounded that I couldn't hear the essence of your voice. When you started, you know, it was, listen, you know, that, you know, you were too low, it sounded low. When, as it went along, you made an effort to bring it out, you know, deliver it. And you did, to a point, yeah. A little disconnection was there for a bit, however. But good, very good effort.
All right, Mackie.
Alright, I would agree with Clara. The song was a little bit too low, so it didn't cause the voice to project. It's just that the first performance tells us that you really have a good voice. But choosing a song, the wrong song, can mash up a lot of things for you. And the song is kind of straight, so you don't have a lot of things to do in your performance. So you lose marks for your performance. But there's hardly anything to perform in the song. Alright?
All right, thank you, Pretty Empress. All right. Okay, let's move it along. Contestant number 4, singing for you, Peter Tosh, one of my favorite songs. If you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. Peter Tosh, humility to the stage right now.
Are you ready for me now? Said if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't pay clothes, brother, don't throw stones. Said if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't pay clothes, sister, don't throw stones. Harm no man, let no man harm you. Do unto others as they would do to you. And for every bald head, respect the Rasta man, 'cause he's the only man left
you down. Get up and fight, my friend. Don't let they hold you. Cause we're the only one who fight it right. Listen me, if you live in a glass house, make sure so. And if you can't stay close, then I don't show close. That if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't stay close, sister, don't throw stones. I'm on this earth to give Jah praise, and all I ask for is longer days. I come to do the things that are right, and if you don't like my doing, because every time you live in a glass house, not sure. And if you can't stay close, then I don't know. Said if you live in a glass house, not sure. And if you can't stay close, sister, don't show. And if you can't stay close, sister, don't show.
Ah, yes, humility. I must honestly say, a star is born. Yes, I could listen to you all night. All right, humility. Let me start off with Paul.
Yes, Rasta. Yeah, the only thing when I look for at the unicycle. Because I see you, let down the locks like Tasha and your garb match the song. And as I say, you have one of the most powerful voices in the competition. Very unique. Hopefully we can hear some original material very soon. Yeah, man, hopefully we can hear that. Wonderful performance. You're amongst, you're the elder statesman amongst a lot of young people, and you're representing them. Doing well.
Roddy?
Humility, trust me, as Peter Gay said, a star is born. You've definitely shown that you've come of age in this competition and you're ready for the next big stage. One word of caution though, don't lose your confidence. You miss some of the words and your confidence drop, and then your mind start go to, when me I go catch them again with the next big note. So just keep your composure and hold your humility. See? Bless up.
All right, thank you very much. Humility, well done. Well done, thank you. All right, love it. All right, we've got 2 young ladies left to go. Singing for you, Underneath It All by Tessanchin. Please put your... I love that table over there, Yeah, man, on a full of vibes, Where y'all from? Where you guys from? Right there in the middle. Everywhere? Kingston? All right. You guys, trust me, you're full of vibes. But they don't do it like this in town, do it? All right. Please put your hands together for Shauna Lee.
Hey, this is for my baby, yay. There's times when I want something more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete. But you see the colors in me like no one else. And behind the dark black glasses, you're something lovely. Underneath it all, you want to love me. Underneath it all, and I'm really lucky. Underneath it all, you really love me. right through and underneath, and you made me better. I've seen right through and underneath, and you made me better, better, better. 'Cause underneath it all, you are my real Prince Charming. Like the beat from the drums, you are always burning. Anytime you're around, my body keeps calling for your touch, your kisses and your sweet explore. There's another side to you that everybody adore. Aside from your temper, everything else secure. I know you're good for my music, oh that I am sure. 'Cause over and over again, more. You used up all your coupons and all you got left is me. And somehow I'm full of forgiveness. I guess it's meant to be. You really love me underneath it all. You want to love me.
Hey! Oh no! All right, this is the baby of the group, everybody. She's what? Just turned 18 or just turned 17? She just turned 17 years old and she give it to you underneath it all. I love it. I love that. Do that little verse again.
Cause underneath it all, you are my real Prince Charming.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Well done. Well done. Miss Miller. Claudia, you know I said I love hear from you, right?
Yes, yes. And I needed for you to hear from me because you just said a star is born. The star just born. The star here just born. I mean, girl, you have some looking forward to hear a lot more from you because trust me, you delivered again. You delivered. You came, you delivered, you used the stage, you engaged the stage, you danced. Very, very good performance.
Thank you.
Rose?
It's like, just what a mini concert. Just the one song there. Or you're really in the crowd and have everybody engaged. They sound with a crowd of you. They sound with a crowd.
All right, thank you very much. Well done, my darling. Well done, well done. This competition, turn up. I don't know what's going to happen next week when we reach the finals, but I'm not judging. All right, our last contestant for tonight is singing a song by Etana. I never get the name, but Etana, sing it. Please put your hands together for Shooting Star.
Them can't tell what's soul enough.
So you beat them, so you mistreat them, so you lock them down and you think that you won, but them a well a meditation. Oh, iration. Them a follow Rastafari, and I live out right. So tell me where you are go do now. Tell me what you gonna do now. Tell me what you gonna do now that the youth our them fruit. You can't water down and dilute. You can't hide the truth from the youth. You can't steal the fruit, not the roots. 'Cause
give them cartoon, you turn them fool, you poison their food, and you think that you won, but them a wall of meditation. Oh, Irish, them a follow Rastafari, and I live out right. So tell me where you are go do now. Tell me what you gonna do now. Tell me what you gonna do now. That the youth are all them roots. You can't water down and dilute. You can't hide the truth from the youth. You can't steal the fruit, not the root. Cause the youth are all them roots. Come around with your white lies, trying to blind everyone eyes, but them a wall of meditation. Oh, tonight, them a follow Rastafari, and I live out right. So tell me where you are go do now. Tell me what you gonna do now. Now tell me what you gonna do now. That the youth are all them rules. You can't water down and dilute. You can't hide the truth from the youth. You can't steal the fruit, not the rest. Cause the youth are all them roots.
Yes, sir. No, sir. It was evenly matched tonight. 3 man, 3 woman. I don't know who I go on, but I know it's Anna, she. Yeah. Everyone, put your hands together for a shooting star, please. Well done, darling. Well done, well done. All right, let me see now. Paul, get up on the microphone.
Miss Thing, you were doing very good in the first half when you were bypassing.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
I felt comfortable, but I must comment it. I felt like you came out of your shell for this one, and we saw some personality. You presented yourself very well. Because sometimes when you sing, you're so focused on your song that we don't see you emoting anything. Your face is just stoic. Because singing can be ugly sometimes. When you want to get those notes out, you have to make the ugly faces. But for this one, I felt like you definitely give it.
She was having fun.
She was having fun.
All right, Roddy G.
I'm extremely happy that you had fun with that. And you dance and you perform like it was the last performance. I totally forgot about videoing you because I was concentrating on where you're going to pick up the points to stay in this competition. And I think you have done enough to pick up the points to stay in the competition.
All right, Rose, we're going to hear from you. Everybody get to talk right now.
Oh man, she redeemed herself from actually the first song. This was very personal. Actually get into it this time. The little movement and all kind of move that, but it's tough. So we can call it the shooting star dance or whatever you want to call it. But just shut it down on the little run. I like that. And you actually sound like her too.
Yes, she does.
So,
yeah. I said, me what me I go do now? Nah. I love it. All right, put your hands together for her, please. Put your hands together for all 6 of our contestants tonight. Giving you a great show, everyone. Put your hands together for them. I want you to make a resounding round of applause for all 6 of our singers tonight. They brought it to you. They gave you a show, and this is what we do. Starstruck rock the mic. All right, Baby Tell, play some music while we tabulate, because there can only be 5. Don't forget tonight is sponsored by African Estate Signature Blend. 2 cues of the Signature Blend for only $5,000. 2 cues of the Reserve for only $7,000. All right, so only on a Wednesday night right here at Pier 1.
Me I got put them on me bookshelf, yes. And I want the whole community in the city, them a kitchen, I got share with nobody else. Now with them girls are nice and pretty, full of witty, them a gritty, me I got put them on me bookshelf, yes. And I want the whole community in the city, them a kitchen, I got share with nobody else. Anytime me I got pour them, same time me adore them. When they rip off the negligee, on the way, so I sure say I'm a master. When they make us give it up, the way, so I know say I'm gonna be bad. Yeah, the way, so I sure say I'm a master. The way, so I know say I'm gonna be bad.
How much more you want to run down the place, yeah? How will you got to start the chase, yeah? What kind of man you not go private? Can't see your man now pop the big stuff.
Only man who know about your life story. So no man can talk to your hurry. Only story stand for your glory. When you took your man trip to the story, just your worry. So I sure say I'm a master.
When you got the skin crack.
Say worry. So I sure say I'm a master.
Man, Baby Tell.
You smile. I don't have a fancy car to get to you. I walk 1,000 miles. I don't care if he buys you nice things. Does his gifts come from the heart? I don't know, babe, but if you were my girl, I'll make it so we'll never be apart. I have to give. Without you, I don't.
I'm under the fame. I'm under the fame. I'm under the fame. A natural girl that is mine. Yeah. I'm under the fame. I'm under the fame. I'm under the fame. A natural girl. Yo, 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 yo. Look, come on, yo, hunt you. Any day now me ready for up hunt you. Only funny man a do that one bump you. Hunt you. Fire for your boy if you want fi backbench you. Hunt you. You ready to go up front?
Well, bad man, no watch, gal. We no watch smoke, fish, we no love and not chat, gal. From gal feeling, we a think about for catch, gal. Name Joe Brian, always a snatch, gal. Man, I'm not pretending we no have to get no gal. And that natural, no, we no cuss, gal. Keep it a real bad man, only walk, gal. Enough gal a freak and we love for duck, gal. Touch and leg on, no, we not go stop, gal. Yeah,
Woman, we enjoy fire, bona vista boy. Woman, we employ anytime we want to work. Woman, we enjoy fire, bona vista boy. Woman, we employ anytime we want to work.
A boy we no pet, gal. Not fi to get, gal. Just to our skill, we all a gamble and a bet, gal. From boy we take, gal. Position set, gal. All on the computer, internet, gal. Want a lot the city, gal. Do me have a pretty gal. Me no wanna eat that. Me want a witty gal. No sicky gal. No licky gal. Give me a hot gal. Yeah.
Woman, we enjoy fire, bona vista boy. Woman, we employ anytime we want to work. Woman, we enjoy fire, bona vista boy. Woman, we employ anytime we want to work.
DJ,
you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey, you girl in the tight top blouse. Every time you pass me, you get me aroused. Hey, you girl in the jeans. See what me mean? When me go cactus, me can't enjoy myself, me unconscious. Me hide them a pulp out, cause me no stop loss. Girl, you come first, man, no stop rush. Hey, hey, so why that have to print out? Me have to hide it in a me car wet tint out. Jeez, all the wine there, make the whole of Main Street crew go crazy. God damn, you act like the sun and cannon. Every man see you well, waffy, have fun. Well, to all you look sweet, it hard for me to eat, but me have to give me girlfriend bun. Hey. Oh no, oh no. Hey, hey, chop, hey, you girl in the tight up skirt. You make me head swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey, you girl in the tight up shirt.
Yeah, you speed up 10. Nobody can tell me see them gal ya no come from Buffy. Can't tell me them gal ya no come from Buffy. See them in a shot so me know say them come from Buffy. See them in a tight so me sure say them come from Buffy. Can you want me a ya pull out of the socket? You hold on me tension, me hand in a me pocket. Not tell no lie, me woulda slap it and pop it, and then push in the plug in the socket. You home and I know you don't do a man a liar.
At this time, I'm inviting all 6 of our contestants on stage. Please, Singer Boy, Roy, Shooting Star, Pretty Empress, Shauna Lee, Humility, and Ray Star. This was a very close competition tonight. Yes, I see it. All righty. Once again, my audience, please put your hands together for all 6 of our contestants tonight, giving you a great, great show. I thoroughly, Una can do better than that. God no. Yeah, man. Show them the love. Show them the love. All right. They were scored out of 400 points. Okay. So it was 80 per judge. We had 5 judges. That's 400 points. And I'm going to be calling them in the order of which they took it tonight. All right. With 357 points, the winner of tonight, please put your hands together for Shauna Lee. Shauna Lee, thank you very much. Coming in second place tonight. Shauna Lee, don't go far. Just coming in second place tonight with 353 points. Put your hands together for Humility. All right, the man Humility, well done. All right. And then there were 4. Coming in third place tonight. Like I said, this was a very, very close competition. With 337 points, please put your hands together for Ray Star. All right. Coming in fourth place with 321 points. Put your hands together for Shooting Star. All right, congratulations, young lady. Let's step over there. I'm going to ask the 2 of you to step up, please. Like a bit more. All right. First of all, I want to thank you all for entering the competition. And you both did an amazing job, but you know that only 5 people can go on to the next round. It was very, very close. One of you had 312 points. The other one had 315 points. But moving on to the finals, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Pretty Empress. All right. So that means that singer, Boy Roy, will be going home tonight. But that does not mean that this is the end of his career. Everybody put your hands together for him. Show him some love. I just want to say sometimes the wrong song choice can make a difference, all right? So it's not that you don't sing well, my darling. It's just that the song choice for that second song was your downfall, all right? So once again, show him some love, everybody. All right? Thank you. Here we go. These are our finalists for Rock the Mic for next week. Make sure you are here. Everybody fit in. I need to get a picture. Everybody fit in. Scoot over. Get on my stage. Hold on. Scoot up. All right, first of all, turn. Come, turn. There we go. We're fit in now. These are our finalists for Rock the Mic 2024, sponsored by Appleton Estate Rum. Somebody next week is going home with $150,000. Will it be Pretty Empress, Shauna Lee, Humility, Shooting Star, or Ray Star? Who knows? But next week, each of them will be singing their song choice for themselves, 2 songs each. Next week, they can bring backup dancers, props, anything they want, do. All right? But it's all up to you to bring that A game. You guys are fabulous. This is one of the best shows we've ever had. Thank you very much. Congratulations. See you next week. All right. Once again, show them